You don't understand how fucked up that is until you see how heavy his bike is, dude.
3, 2, 1, go! True.
Oh. What the fuck? Oh.
Ooh.
Yay!
I think you just broke it.
I'm with the boys today, Evan, Win, Chase. And we're gonna ride some Lime bikes and have some fun, see what we can do.
First, we're gonna ride the bird scooter.
These are like $1,200.
Fuck it, let's go for it.
Hello.
Ooh, there we go. Ride it down the stairs.
Down them or like jump them?
Jump them and then ride down
I
them.
don't think I can jump that many though. Oh my God.
Heavy? Oh shit, you gotta hit that skid again. You? Alright, jump the set now. Oh, Evan! Have you got this one? Yeet! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got a 6 there?
Let's go that way now.
That's a long set.
Are you serious?
Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was 7 stairs.
Are you serious? Yeah.
Chase, let's see a tail whip.
On that?
Yeah.
You go. Oh. No. Whoa.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Oh, that is gnarly smell. Screech it. Roll out.
Skirt! You spin? You.
Damn.
I fucking did a Lime bike the other day. I was severely disappointed.
No, they're fun, bro. Bro, it's like pedal assist for like 15 miles an hour. I gotta try that.
Okay, what about a 180?
While keeping the gas going, so you do a pill out.
Oh!
Dude, the half cab is so hard.
It's so heavy.
The handlebars are just like an inch wide.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want to do it, dude.
There you go. Yeah! Should we go ride a fucking bike? $2.20.
It's a deal right there. We're gonna go ride, try to find some limes right now.
Limes.
Win, nice water bottle, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Whoa.
Yeah. The jackpot.
See, are they charged? Because they got snow on them.
True. Unlock it?
Yeet.
Whoa, it's just go. Whoa. Yeah, it's juice, man.
It was just going. I wasn't pedaling.
Unlocking.
Yay!
Dude, you want a race win? One-hander.
Let's hit that thing, dude.
All right, you want to do it, Evan?
Right here, bro.
All right. Oh, fucker, do it again. I had to put my kickstand down. I wasn't ready.
Threading the needle.
Yeet. Oh, man. Stop beeping at me.
One gets loose.
Yo! Do that again. Dude, do you want to sit on the back of this thing with me? You can pop a wheelie?
That seems reckless, but Evan, I guarantee will do that with me.
Evan! Oh yeah. Dude, that's a sick line. Okay, do it again.
Goodness.
Alright, you got it, dog. Yeah!
Yay!
Now go up this curb.
Oh, I'm coming for you.
Whoa! Can I try a frame stand?
Yeah.
I've never done one on any kind of bike.
I think you just broke it.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Let's get a fucking.
It's called bro mode. Bro mode.
Get on.
He's on.
You are?
Go up the little ramp and down the stairs. Just try. Dude, you guys got it. You got it.
There's no way I'm gonna be able to.
You got it. You're both on there.
Hey, wait, let's try a wheelie, Evan. Or win.
Oh. Well, you got to pedal because the pedal's what helps you.
Think I can grab that?
Yeah. Man, sup, hood pope.
Hey, what about this? Wheelie like this. Oh, fuck.
Hood pope.
See if you can do it.
What?
I don't want to do that.
Why?
Because I'm a fucking weak ass.
Really kind of cuts your hand.
Trying to go. Let's go off road.
Testing traction control.
True.
One thing many people don't know about the new Lime bikes is their traction control. All season, that's why they're out here.
Okay, wait, you guys want to have a race through it? Start at that gate. Whoever gets to this tree first. Win, get back. Dude, 3, 2, 1, go! A slow start.
Oh, you suck! Oh, God.
I think Evan won.
I think you did too.
Barely though.
Dude, these really do surprisingly well.
Turbo lag in there.
That's what I want to try. Like,
Oh, there you go. That was it, dude. Nice.
wait, coming for you, Parker.
Okay, let's see something, Chase. Try to bunny hop it.
It's like 80 pounds, bro.
Don't have a try.
Do the chain, bunny hop the chain. Just boost it at the chain and just go for it, dude.
Evan got it. That's pretty dang good.
Go.
Oh. Catch it.
My toes and my hands are frigid, dude.
Oh, dude, you're almost there.
That is so sketchy, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god. Most cruiser ever.
Yeah.
How'd you even fucking do that?
You almost fit it. Evan, ride through all this snow right here.
Follow me, Chase. Come on.
What are we doing?
Control the throttle, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Ooh, track stand god. Oh.
Oh, hey, I'm down. Put down.
Two, just two. What happened?
You guys ran into me.
Give him three.
Look at your bars, dude.
Yo, I could probably just go in circles. Oh, fuck. I'm like skidding for a star.
Oh, foot down. Okay, fix your bars and then do it.
I can't stop.
Look, dude, it's a fellow rider. Enjoy your line bike.
Dude, they're hard. Right? You got bounce, you just fall. It's because the fucking acceleration is done. Oh, no, fuck. Oh, that's just heavy, too. It's dizzying as fuck. Oh, I touched on my own.
Yeah, dude, domination style. Can I try a wheelie?
Yes, try it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I gotta put the seat up.
Fuck yeah, bro. It's in BMX mode right now.
Oh, dude.
Oh, that's high.
Oh,
Are you doing a one-hander?
oh my god, dude, this one like... Did you film that?
I did not even see you do it.
That was like the 4 squares that are right here.
Oh! Yo! Dude! Holy shit! Wild.
That's insane,
That
Evan.
was so good. That was like really scary.
You don't understand how fucked up that is until you fucking see how heavy his bike is, dude. It's like brick squad, 85 pounds, I don't know.
Oh shit, man.
Dude, Evan's good at it.
He's got it like figured out somehow.
Go really fucking slow into it.
Let's go down some stairs across the street.
Yeah, I'm just pretty good wrapping around. Nope.
And
Oh my gosh.
Evan's off-roading it.
Oh my god.
That was sick. All right, let's hit this big set over here. Yeah. Oh my god, dude, that's really scary.
That's a big.
It's steep as fuck. Yeah, get that seat down. You gonna do it?
Oh Lord.
All right, my dude. Good job, bro. Trade me.
The old switcheroo.
The old switch. Oh fuck, dude. Oh my god. Whoa, Chase, nice job.
Did you get that?
I don't know what I got.
Hit it. What the fuck? Look in between us. A bunch of cinder blocks.
Good thing you didn't go faster.
Oh, dude, that just straight rammed me.
Hit this one, bro.
Yeah, another case of cinder blocks in there.
Yeet.
Oh yeah.
You gotta ding the bell beforehand or it doesn't count.
True.
Red light.
You pixie goon. Good stop.
How many more seconds we got? 5?
Fuck. That was a fun adventure.
Yes, it was. Back to where we started.
Stick it up for you.
Oh, what? Dude, the smokes always get caught in there.
Only 45 calories. Lime bikes, would recommend. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, you're the man.
You're the man.